All right, welcome back to another video. Just finished up my trading for the week. I took a winner on all accounts. The The evaluation that I started, the 150K. I took a few more trades just because it's an evaluation, and I saw some good setups. So almost lost it actually because I was horribly over leveraged. But it fortunately worked out in my favor, and I guess if we held this, we would have gotten a lot. So yeah, let's start out with the first trade that we took on all accounts. Off of open, we came up. We never got a setup because ES kept on running into point of control zones, rejecting them, came down, and then we finally closed below. NQ closed below here. ES closed below here. I got in. I waited for a small rejection off of this point of control zone. We got it, got in 4 contracts. This is the evaluation account. So we got in with 4 contracts at 283.25. 283.25. You can see that it's below the point of control zone because we waited for a slight rejection. Then we got in. Stop was above here, and then I was targeting right here, and we bought for at 263.50. 263.50. Oh yeah, because I was trading this on Trade and then that was I didn't have a limit set, so I had to get out manually and caught a little slippage there. So, but you can see on the PA account, we made 470, which is a very good day for me. And yeah, if we can see, yeah, so we got in at 283, so right there. And then we had a limit set at 259.25. 259.25 there. And that's where we got out. I did take a video or screen recording of the trade on my XFA account, which is on my phone. That's where I was trading it from when we were doing all this. So I had the PA account here, and then I was trading the evaluation and TradeAvate, and then I had my phone up with TradingView with the XFA on that. So I was trading all 3 accounts at the same time, and it's pretty hectic, but it worked out today. Had my limit set. It got smashed. We were in drawdown for a bit, and I was kind of worried because we closed. The close was not the greatest, but it didn't take me out yet. Because we were still rejecting this point of control zone. I really was waiting until we closed above this point of control zone, and then I would have gone out, but we didn't. And you can see since we closed below this point of control zone, we got a little pop above that high that we made in this candle, and then immediately rejected. So I'm really glad I held on to that trade, and yeah, it worked out. So this was a PA account, made 470. I have the XFA pulled up here. We made 480. It's pretty much the same thing. We're around $1,500 in the account now, and we're payout eligible. So that is pretty freaking awesome. I don't think I'm gonna take a payout. I was thinking about it, and I might just keep on trading, hopefully until, I don't know. I was thinking hopefully until I get to like 2,000 or 2,500, but I don't know. I'll have to think about it today. I might just take a payout to cover expenses, but yeah, we'll see. Other than that was the PA account, and then a few more trades in the evaluation. We can go through that. We took a smaller trade right after this one because we closed below. I saw a little rejection. I got in at 270. Oh wait, no. I got in at sell. Jeez, man. 251. 251. Yes, that seems right. So, saw a little rejection. Not that. 251. And then we got out once it closed. So, 270.75. There. Yeah. So we saw a bit of profit, and then we just rejected. I really wanted to see ES sell back lower, but just didn't get that. I was happy I was only in 2 contracts, and yeah, so I got out once we closed back above this point of control zone. That was a loss, and then I kept on waiting right after 10 a.m., which was the news. That's really what I was waiting for. We got a nice bullish close above here, and then ES closed above this point of control zone as well, and everything was bullish today. So I was really favoring longs over shorts today, even though we took a short in all 3 accounts. I ended up taking a long here, and then we kind of scaled into this, buying 2 at 331 around here. That was after a slight rejection off of this point of control zone. And then we kept on selling lower, and then we got another pop. That's where I bought 2 more, and then we were respecting this point of control zone, which was good. And the drawdown was pretty scary because I was definitely over leveraged after I was in 6 contracts. We came back up to my entry after rejecting down here, and that was a sign that we really wanted to go higher. So that's why I got into 6 contracts. Definitely way over leverage. I'm really mad about that, but I kind of wish I just blew the account because of it. It would have taught me a lesson, but yeah, I was in 6 contracts. Fortunately, we didn't blow the account, or unfortunately. And then I just got out once ES hit this point of control zone, and that was when NQ reached to 347. 347. So it was a very small trade, but we were very, very over leveraged. Oh, this looks like a good long. I'm not gonna get in. But if you see a nice pop up in ES, then a long here would be good. So, as you can see, I was over leveraged, so don't be surprised when you see 2,800. Yeah, that's good, but I really should not have been over leveraged. Anyway, we're up 5,400 in the evaluation, looking for 9,000, so we're over halfway there, which is awesome. We started it on Tuesday, I think. I don't know. And yeah, so up 400, 800, 9, around 950 in the XFA and PA accounts. And then obviously 2,800 in the evaluation. So that's only today. Why don't we go through the week? Let me see what I can do. Let's do this week for the XFA. 1,500, only 5 trades, 1 trade a day. That's all you need, man. 1 contract, 1 mini. Average trade time, a minute and 38 seconds. Not too long, not too fast. 100% profitable trades, which is freaking awesome. I don't think I've ever had a week where I've had 100% profitability. So that is amazing. That's kind of why I might just take a payout. I'm really proud of myself for this week. And best trade was obviously today. So yeah, I might just take that payout. I don't know. And then, holy rejection. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I mean, why don't we just do the evaluation this week? Total loss 780. That was the one loss that I had today. Total profit 6,300. Gross P&L 5,500. Net 5,400. So not a lot of commissions. Look at that, $74. Average trade time 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Average losing trade time was 2 minutes 13 seconds. Average winning trade time 2 minutes 22 seconds. So pretty much the same. Average winning trade 787, losing trade 780, so pretty much equal, but the percent profitability is 88%. So that's why you see 5,500. So yeah, I've really just been keeping it to 1 to 2 trades a day, apart from today. That was a little emotional. Shouldn't have done it, but yeah, so that is the evaluation. And then let's go to the PA account, up 470 today. And then the PA account is the same thing as the evaluation, or the XFA, because I'm trading the same leverage. But why don't we do custom range from why don't we do this month? So far this month, around 3,500 in profit, 762 in losses, 3 losing trades, 19 winning trades. Average winning trade is 183. Average losing trade is 254. So not the best. I really want to get this up more. Today is definitely helping. So that's good. 86% profitable trades, which is awesome. And Yeah, net P&L 2,600. Awesome. So yeah, these are the stats for this month. And yeah, I don't know what else to look at. Express. So yeah, that is it today. I'm going to enjoy the weekend. Got to study for finals next week. And yeah, I hope you guys trade well, trade smart, and have a relaxing weekend. So I hope you guys had a nice week of trading, and I will see you all in the next video.